Okay, number 7. Okay, number 7. So, an average human weighs about 650 Newton. Ito na lang eh. So, an average human, by average, So, weight of an average human is 650 Newton. And then, if two such generic humans carried one column, so kung may dani mo duduha ko nga human, of course, lalaki usa, himunta nga babayi. Kung may dako nira one column nga charge, one column, may charge nga one column. Let's say, di positive. Positive ba, di negative. Mga babae kasi mga negative ito, mga nega. Joke! Mga lalaki, mga positive eh. Joke lang. Na-react ka mo dayon. Na-react dayon. So, the question is, one positive, one negative, how far apart? Ano kuno kahirayo-hira, gaano sila kalayo upang maramdaman pa rin nila para maramdaman nila yung attraction nila katulad ng bigat nila, which is 650 Newton. Di ba? Ang galing ng question. So, gaano sila kalayo para maramdaman pa rin nila ang kanilang attraction, force of attraction. Because again, this is positive negative. Therefore, this force that is being accounted by your Coulomb's law is an attractive force. So, unit to is K, Q1, Q2 all over the distance squared. Diba? Absolute value. So, meaning, ito ginsosolve is R squared. So, R squared is equal to K all over F and then your Q1, Q2. Absolute value. So, again, disregard lang itong mga negative positive, yung mga charge didi. Tapos, again, absolute value lang siya. Sa maaram lang kat karsigno niya, this is an attractive force. This F is an attractive force. Okay? So, K, substitute. This is a constant again. Ano yung libro? 8.988 times 10 to the 9 Newton per square meter column square. That is a constant. And then your F, force is equal daw sa bigat nila. So, bawat isa lang to yung isa lang to na force, pareho man yung force nila actually. So, itong force na to ay isa lang sa kanila. Attraction man, pareho man yan sila. So, that would be a 650 Newton. Okay, and then multiplied by your charge. 1 times 1 column squared. Diba? So, cancel yung column squared, cancel yung Newton. Uy, per meter squared yung lalabas. So, mali to. So, R is K all over F. Kay mali ini nga Newton meter squared. Adi nga itigbaw. Newton meter squared per column squared. So, kita niyo. Kaya nagsasagyap ako. Okay? So, that would be an 8.988 exponent 9 divided times 1 times 1 divided by 650 Newton. And that will give us 1.38. 1.38 1.38 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 10 to the 7 meter squared. So, this is yung distance squared, R squared. So, pag R lang, of course, we square root this, we've got R. So, which is the square root of this. Pero malaki pa rin. That is 3,700. 3,700 meter yung R. Or pwede silang magkalayo ng 3.7 kilometer. You could just imagine ang layo nun. Mula yan dito, kung nasa school ako ngayon, mula yan dito papunta sa Socorro Unahan. papunta na yata sa yung may diversion papunta sa ano yung restaurant na yun na nasa diversion. Anyway, gano'n kalayo ay 3 kilometers. Oh, parang or kulang pa ng konti. Kulang pa ng konti. So malayo, 'di ba? Pwede silang magkalayo at attractive pa rin sila. Given that meron lang silang one column each. Ano ba yung one column? Hindi yan malakas ha, actually. Hindi yan malakas yung one column. Hindi ba? But anyway, ah, mm. Thank you guys for listening. I'll cut the video.